Hey YouTubers, this is Holland back. So yesterday I saw on Facebook I saw somebody talking about a unicorn haircut, and so basically it's a DIY haircut that you can do at home or wherever to create some natural layers in your hair. I've been growing out my hair since I had the baby, and I feel like the sides are a little bit longer than like the rest. Like, I don't know if you can see the back. Like the sides are longer. I want to even it out a little bit, but not do like a full-on trim. But so to do a unicorn haircut, basically you're gonna pull all of your hair. And some people do this wet. Some people pull their hair all the way, like straight, like to try to straighten it out. I don't wear my real hair straight. I wear extensions and stuff straight. But, so I didn't want to really straighten my hair to do this. So you pull your hair all the way forward, and then you can put another like ponytail holder, and then cut. I only want to cut a little bit, so I'm probably gonna cut like this much just to see, just to give it a test, because I'm not going in on a haircut. So where's my they're in my pocket. So I'm gonna start off just trimming a little bit. See this? Is that maybe like maybe an inch and a half? That is it. So that's the unicorn haircut. You can cut off more or less. And then let's see. I can tell a little bit. So there's also a double unicorn haircut if you want to add more layers but keep length. So I just wanted to have it so that the sides weren't poking out super long, but I am gonna go in and add a little more layer. I'm gonna pull the front hair out because I'm kind of growing this hair out here. So I'm gonna do like a small ponytail here at the crown. Excuse my kids. So actually I'm gonna make this even smaller. Same thing. So I don't know if you can see it. It's like, move this hair out the way. And you do a ponytail all the way to the front. Whew. All right. And I'm gonna cut off about that much. I don't know if you can see. So first amount that I cut, second amount. Just because I just want a little bit of a layer situation. This is like I think a third day wash and go. See, nothing too drastic because you can do more or less. See, so the bottom looks fuller to me, but I still have length. And then I can see some shorter pieces. And then if you want to do even more layers, you can do a smaller, even smaller ponytail situation. Let's see. I'm doing a triple unicorn. Let me see here. So total hair that I've cut, it's not a lot. Just a little dusting, just to give it a little more shape to my wash and goes now that springtime is here. See, so I still have some long layers. See? Just a subtle difference. Nothing drastic. But again, you can cut off more if you want like a big difference. More layers showing. But I want to keep my length. And then I'll show you guys what my hair looks like whenever you wash it. And before I wash my hair, I'm gonna saturate it with coconut oil. Get the ends real good in my scalp. Do a scalp massage and let it sit while I cleaned up around the house. Sometimes I use coconut oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, whatever's on hand. My edges are growing back from that postpartum hair shedding. Using virgin coconut oil in the grocery store. Massaging with my fingertips. Really massaging it in. So when I got in the shower to wash my hair out, I deep conditioned it and did the usual. And when I was combing through it, I felt like some of my ends were still a little bit longer than like the rest of my hair. So I had the bright idea to redo the unicorn cut in the shower with my hair all wet and with conditioner in it. So in the shower, I combed all my hair to the front, put a ponytail, and then pulled the ends down. And I just trimmed just a little bit, like just as more correction. So I just trimmed just a tiny bit. And then I did a smaller ponytail right here. And trimmed it again. And I like it. It's not super drastic. It's still a little wet. I have Cantu on it, the Argan curling leave-in, and then the curling custard. And then I have some argan oil. And after it dries all the way, I'm gonna crunch the cast. But yeah, I like the way it came out. It looks more even and a little more full at the bottom. A little more movement. But feature-wise, I think I would do everything just in the shower wet. But yeah, say hi. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe for future videos. But I would definitely suggest trying out a unicorn cut.